Hey you guys, good morning. How are you doing? Today is going to be a fantastic day. As always, we remake every single day the greatest day we can here. That's what we do. And today is another one of those fantastic days because we are at an undisclosed location somewhere in the middle of yonder. Today we have a big day. I don't know what I'm all going to film for you, but we are out at a private lake area where a bunch of people gather every year and they do a big 4th of July party. Now, 4th of July has passed, but they do theirs on a weekend after. That way more people come and they can just have their own little thing. So I'm going to try to film as much as that for you guys. There will be fireworks, so if you guys don't like that, I'll leave it at the end. And if you guys want to, take off a little bit before that, I get it. You've seen a lot of fireworks already this year. For now, Austin and I are heading out onto a boat. We're gonna go check some lines that we set, and we're gonna see if we can catch some fish early this morning. Then I'm not sure what's going to happen. It also looks like it is going to rain today. We're gonna get some stuff done. We're going to hopefully capture a few little fun things for you guys and then see where the day takes us. So if you guys don't know, my name is Miles Da. Welcome to Da Family, where we make every single day the absolute greatest. Here we go. Welcome, 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 welcome. Just gonna be here for the day, so it's not gonna be like a huge intense video. It's just gonna be kind of like the fun stuff that we do on the 4th of July around here, riding 4-wheelers and having a good time mostly. So we caught our fish earlier, let it go. It wasn't quite as big as we wanted it to be. Now we're just cruising on the 4-wheelers, golf carts, going around, kind of just checking stuff out. Haven't been here for a while, so just kind of having a good time. So enjoy a little bit more of a montage. Oh man. Hold on, sorry, but I didn't get it. Alright, welcome to the present day. As I'm going through this footage and editing this video, I am realizing that I didn't talk in the spots that I thought I had talked. Like, everything you've seen so far has been insane. In the last part where you saw me in the golf cart and stuff, what I had happened is I put my leg up to block a tree branch, and there was another small tree behind it that I didn't see that was really rigid, and well, my foot got caught on that second tree and it pulled me out of the golf cart basically. It was really funny in the moment. The next thing that you're about to see are these fireworks. Looking back, the fireworks show was literally better than the one at Seward. The next things that we're going to go do are play horseshoes, ride 4-wheelers, and kind of check out the preview of all the fireworks before they get everything out and ready. So here we go. I don't even know. So many. Okay, so I am running super late on getting to the fireworks. My battery ended up like dying on me and I had to charge it. I just got back to the camper, I got to my battery. Fireworks are going off. I'm gonna set you guys up. Enjoy a little time lapse. I don't know if there's gonna be more to the video. There was a lot today. You guys saw all the fireworks that there are. This is literally like the biggest time that they've ever had out here. And if you didn't watch my video about last year, you should definitely go watch it. It was absolutely insane. A lot of crazy stuff happened last year. It didn't happen this year. Go check it out. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of this video. It's going to be like gorgeous.